Pig farming and processing is an important process in the agricultural and food industry. First of all, pig farming requires clean, airy barns, ensuring adequate light and suitable temperature. Pig feed needs to be nutritionally balanced, including bran, green vegetables and grains for healthy pig growth. In addition, farmers need to fully vaccinate pigs to prevent disease and periodically check their health. After pigs reach standard weight, the slaughtering and processing of pork is carried out according to strict hygiene procedures. After slaughter, pork is cleaned, classified and properly preserved to ensure food safety. Pork products are very diverse, including fresh meat, ham, sausage, nem chua and many other dishes. Pork processing must comply with food hygiene and safety regulations to bring high-quality products to consumers. In addition to processing pork into fresh products, many preservation and deep processing methods are also applied to extend the shelf life and increase economic value. Some common methods include salting, smoking, drying or freezing. Pork can be processed into specialties such as sausages, cold cuts, canned meat or traditional ham and sausages. In addition, to ensure food safety, pork processing must strictly comply with hygiene standards. Slaughterhouses must be licensed and have wastewater and waste treatment systems to protect the environment. Pork after processing needs to be carefully packaged and stored in suitable conditions to maintain its quality and flavor. Nowadays, with the development of food technology, many businesses have applied modern production processes, helping to improve product quality and meet diverse market needs. The combination of safe farming, hygienic processing and scientific distribution not only ensures consumer health but also helps the pig farming industry develop sustainably. In addition to applying modern farming and processing methods, the pig farming industry is also aiming for sustainable and environmentally friendly development. Large-scale farms are now gradually shifting to organic farming models, using natural foods, limiting antibiotics and chemicals, helping to create a source of clean meat that is safe for human health. In addition, waste treatment in livestock farming is also focused on to minimize environmental pollution. Farms apply the biogas model to utilize livestock waste as a clean energy source, which not only helps save costs but also reduces negative impacts on the environment. Regarding consumption, processed pork is widely distributed through many different channels such as supermarkets, traditional markets, clean food stores and e-commerce platforms. Consumers are increasingly interested in the origin and quality of products, so tracing the origin of pork through QR code systems or food safety certification is becoming a popular trend. In general, the livestock and pork processing industry is making many important strides to meet the increasing demands of the market. The combination of advanced livestock farming methods, safe processing and smart consumption not only helps improve product quality but also ensures the sustainable development of the food industry in the future along with advances in pig farming and processing. The industry is also facing a number of challenges that need to be addressed. Pig diseases, especially African swine fever, remain a major concern, directly affecting pork supply and prices. To minimize risks, farmers need to implement strict disease prevention measures such as cleaning barns, controlling feed and water sources, and providing adequate vaccination. In addition, fluctuations in feed prices also put pressure on farmers. Input prices such as corn, soybeans, and rice bran change frequently, affecting production costs and profits. Therefore, many farms have switched to self-producing feed or applying circular farming models to reduce costs. On the other hand, pork consumption is changing towards a healthy and sustainable trend. Consumers increasingly prefer clean meat products that do not contain growth hormones or antibiotic residues. This requires businesses in the industry to constantly improve quality, apply organic farming standards, ensure food safety and transparency and traceability. In short, for the sustainable development of the pork farming and processing industry, there needs to be a combination of modern technology, strict management and environmental protection awareness. Ensuring a clean and safe food source not only contributes to improving public health but also helps the Vietnamese food industry reach further in the international market. In addition to solutions in farming and processing, developing the pork consumption market also plays an important role in the sustainable development of the industry. Currently, in addition to the domestic market, Vietnamese pork is gradually approaching the international market, especially countries with high demand such as China, Korea and Japan. However, to successfully export, pork products need to meet strict standards on food hygiene and safety. Quality and traceability. In addition, the pig farming industry is gradually shifting towards high technology with the application of automation in farm management. Pig health monitoring systems using artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology in traceability. These advances help improve production efficiency, minimize risks and better meet market demand, not only stopping at production and consumption. Raising consumer awareness about how to use pork safely and reasonably is also very important. Authorities, businesses and farmers need to coordinate in promoting and guiding how to choose, preserve and process pork properly to ensure public health. In general, the pig farming and processing industry in Vietnam has many opportunities for strong development thanks to the combination of technological innovation, improving product quality and expanding the market. If we continue to move in a sustainable direction, this industry will not only meet domestic demand but also enhance the position of Vietnamese food in the international arena in addition to improving the quality of livestock farming and processing. The pork industry also needs to focus on support policies from the state and cooperation between businesses, farms and consumers. The government can introduce policies to encourage livestock farming according to the biosafety model, provide financial support for farmers in building modern farms, as well as promote research and development of high-yield, disease-resistant pig breeds. In addition, businesses need to act as a bridge, helping to link farmers and the consumer market, ensuring stable prices, limiting the situation of good harvest, low price. The formation of cooperatives and production, consumption chains will help the pork industry develop sustainably, minimize risks for farmers and ensure a stable supply for the market. Not only stopping at domestic production, the Vietnamese pork industry also has the potential to expand exports. However, to achieve this, businesses need to invest heavily in processing and preservation technology. While building product brands that meet international standards, participation in free trade agreements also opens up many opportunities, but at the same time requires higher competition in terms of quality and price. In short, the sustainable development of the livestock and pork processing industry depends not only on technology, but also on close coordination between the government, businesses and farmers, if opportunities are well taken advantage of and challenges are effectively addressed. The Vietnamese pork industry can continue to affirm its position, meet domestic demand and reach out to the international market. In addition to technology, policy and market factors, environmental factors also play an important role in the sustainable development of the livestock and pork processing industry. One of the major challenges today is the treatment of waste from livestock farming, including manure, wastewater and emissions. If not properly managed, these wastes can pollute water, air and land, affecting public health and the ecosystem. To solve this problem, many farms have applied a circular economy model in livestock farming, utilizing waste to produce organic fertilizers or biogas. The biogas system not only helps reduce environmental pollution but also provides a clean energy source for production activities, thereby helping to save operating costs. In addition, planting trees around the livestock area also helps improve the environment, reduce odors and increase green cover. In addition, the use of advanced technologies such as beneficial microorganisms in waste treatment, biological filtration systems and wastewater recycling processes are also being widely researched and applied. These measures not only help reduce negative impacts on the environment but also contribute to building a modern, nature-friendly livestock industry. In general, the development of the livestock and pork processing industry cannot be separated from the environmental protection factor. The combination of modern production technology, effective waste management processes and appropriate support policies will help this industry develop in a sustainable direction, bringing long-term benefits to both livestock farmers, businesses and society. In addition to protecting the environment, improving product quality is also a key factor in helping the livestock and pork processing industry develop sustainably. Nowadays, consumers are increasingly concerned about the origin of food, requiring pork to not only be delicious but also safe and ensure nutritional quality. To meet this demand, livestock farms need to comply with biosafety farming processes, limit the use of antibiotics and growth stimulants. In addition, modern processing technology also helps improve the quality of pork and prolong the preservation time. Methods such as quick freezing, vacuuming, UV sterilization or enzyme treatment help maintain the freshness of meat, while limiting the growth of harmful bacteria. In addition, the production of pork products according to international standards such as HACCP hazard analysis and critical control points, or global gap, global good agricultural practices, also helps increase value and expand export markets. Not only does it play a role in providing food, the pork farming and processing industry also contributes greatly to the economy, creating jobs for millions of workers from farmers, workers in processing plants to food traders. Therefore, building a modern and sustainable livestock industry not only helps increase people's income but also contributes to the overall development of the national economy. In short, for the pork farming and processing industry to develop sustainably, there needs to be a synchronous combination of safe farming, modern processing, environmental protection and meeting the increasing demands of the market. If these factors are well implemented, the Vietnamese pork industry will not only be strong domestically but also have the opportunity to affirm its position in the international market, in addition to improving product quality and protecting the environment. Applying technology to the livestock and pork processing industry is also becoming an inevitable trend to help increase productivity and production efficiency. Currently, many farms have applied smart livestock systems with automatic sensors measuring temperature, humidity, and air quality in barns, helping to optimize living conditions for pigs. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology also supports early detection of disease signs in pigs, thereby minimizing disease risks and improving management efficiency. In the processing stage, modern production lines use robots and automated machines to increase accuracy, ensure food hygiene and safety, and save labor. Some businesses are also applying blockchain technology to the traceability system, helping consumers easily check information about the process of raising, slaughtering and preserving pork before it reaches them. In addition, e-commerce also plays an important role in the distribution of pork and pork products. Consumers can now easily order clean pork through online platforms. Saving time and ensuring food quality. In general, the application of technology in the livestock and pork processing industry not only helps improve productivity and ensure product quality, but also helps the industry catch up with modern market trends. If we continue to invest in technological innovation, the Vietnamese pork industry can grow stronger and stronger, meeting the increasing demands of domestic and international consumers in addition to technology, environment and market factors. Building a Vietnamese pork brand is also an important strategy to help increase product value and expand the consumer market. Currently, many countries have strict standards on food hygiene and safety, quality and traceability. Therefore, building a clean pork brand that meets international standards will help Vietnamese products gain a firm foothold in the domestic and world markets. To do this, businesses and livestock households need to focus on building a closed supply chain. From safe farming, hygienic slaughter to modern processing and distribution. In addition, registering for quality certifications such as Vietgap, Global Gap or HACCP also helps increase product reputation, creating trust for consumers. In addition, it is necessary to promote the brand through communication channels, international food fairs and e-commerce to expand customer reach. Moreover, consumer trends are gradually shifting to products with clear origins, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. Therefore, businesses in the industry need to constantly improve production processes, diversify processed pork products such as sausages, cold cuts, ham, sausages, etc. to meet the increasing demand of the market. In short, building a Vietnamese pork brand not only helps to increase product value but also opens up export opportunities, bringing Vietnamese products to the world. If we make good use of existing advantages and develop in a sustainable direction, the pork farming and processing industry will increasingly affirm its position. Bringing great economic benefits to the country. In addition to building a brand, an important factor that cannot be ignored is raising awareness and responsibility of consumers for pork products. Currently, consumers are increasingly interested in clean, safe food with clear origins. Therefore, propaganda and guidance on how to choose, preserve and process pork properly will contribute to improving the quality of meals and ensuring public health. Authorities need to strengthen control of pork quality in the market, strictly handle cases of trading in poor quality food of unknown origin. At the same time, businesses also need to be transparent about product information by applying traceability technology, helping consumers easily check the origin and quality of products before purchasing. In addition, the current consumption trend does not stop at buying fresh pork but also expands to processed products, which are convenient but still ensure nutritional value. Therefore, businesses need to invest in research and development of new products to meet the increasingly diverse tastes of the market. In short, the sustainable development of the livestock and pork processing industry depends not only on businesses or manufacturers but also on the support of consumers. If all parties join hands to build a clean, safe and sustainable food industry, Vietnamese pork will increasingly affirm its position, meet domestic consumption needs and have the opportunity to reach far in the international market in addition to factors related to technology, market and consumer awareness. The livestock and pork processing industry also needs to pay attention to support policies and long-term development orientation from the state. The government needs to have specific measures to support livestock farmers, from preferential loans, agricultural insurance policies to training programs on biosafety, livestock farming and advanced processing techniques. In addition, planning concentrated livestock farming areas in an industrial direction, limiting small-scale and fragmented livestock farming is also an important solution to help improve productivity and control diseases more effectively. At the same time, there should be measures to support businesses to invest in the processing and preservation sector to increase the added value of pork products, instead of focusing only on exporting fresh meat. An equally important factor is to promote international cooperation in the field of livestock farming and food processing. Participation in free trade agreements, FTAs, opens up opportunities to export pork to potential markets such as the EU, Japan or the US. However, to take advantage of this opportunity, the Vietnamese livestock industry needs to meet strict standards on food safety, traceability and animal quarantine. In short, for the livestock and pork processing industry to develop sustainably and compete in the international market, there needs to be close coordination between the state, businesses and farmers. With the right development strategy, combined with the application of technology and environmental protection.